That thing hot, don't touch it.
Mama.
What?
Are you making them quick?
Huh?
Are you making them quick?
What?
Are you done yet?
Yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's done. What else done? The sandwich done.
How this one up?
You ain't on the pancake on the stick?
Yeah.
Y'all be complaining about the weirdest shit. Shit that y'all ain't gotta worry about. I'm gonna put that last one right there. I'm gonna put like two more back there. It's hot. It's hot. It is hot. I think I need one more.
It's hot. It's hot.
more than I'm done. Damn. It is thick though. Real thick. All together, 2 bundles. 2 bundles. It's thick. It's still gonna have some bundles left. Still gonna have some left. Stop playing on my little head. I've been said it was hot. Y'all happy now? The comments keep getting turned off because y'all do too much. Y'all need to learn how to be respectful. Of course it's bulky. I ain't done. I haven't got to the foundation part. Let me get to the foundation part. Let me get there first. Can y'all stop rushing? Stop rushing the pimp. I'm not being rude. Y'all being rude. Y'all being rude. Nah, I ain't bleached the knots. be acting like y'all so damn innocent. Y'all really be on this app acting like y'all innocent. Y'all really not. And I forgot to spray it too. That's one part I forgot. That's why I was lifting, because I forgot to put that part on there. Now I'm gonna use my brush thing. That one thing that I got. This part.
Mama, the syrup is hot.
I told you it's hot.
But that's not how the syrup.
Yeah, let it cool down. You gotta let it cool down.
It's not hot.
I don't got no straightening comb. My straightening comb broke. But I got this. And it worked just like it. It worked just like it. So it's gonna do what it need to be done. Of course it looked big and bulky. Cause I ain't done. Y'all gotta be patient. Patience is a virtue. My dumb ass. Damn, we go that far? Go to 450. This closure is not by them. This closure is Onyx closure from the hair store. That's why it's so goddamn big. Because it's from the hair store. But it's cool though, because it's finna go down. It'll be down. I don't even know where my tweezers at either.
Banana.
That's another thing I'm mad about. I don't know where my tweezers at because I could pluck it. This brush thing, I got it off Amazon. I forgot the name of it. Don't ask me. I use this when I don't got no straightening comb. Ooh. Still a little bit. Woo! It ain't that. It don't look how it looked in the first time. I'm gonna go over it with the flat irons. Still. And put some makeup on it. This work on natural hair too. Don't know the name though. Oh, it's V-I-X. Vicks Mini. Vicks Mini. It's called Vicks Mini. Vicks Mini. It's not big. Y'all just be talking. Y'all just talking. Y'all just talking. Y'all just talking because y'all can talk. I don't have a hot comb. I just said that. I just said on live. I do not have. I just said it live. I do not have a hot comb. I'm doing it my way. My way. My way.
I ate it all.
You ate it all? You ate both? The sandwich and the pancake? No? You ate the thing though? Okay, cool. High five. Big boy. What they thought. Have a flat iron. Flat iron will flat everything, okay? I don't know why y'all up in here on my dick riding. Y'all dick riding. Y'all some professional dick riders. Professional dick riders. And I could curl this. I ain't gonna curl it today though. I was gonna do some baby hairs, but I don't want to. Maybe next time. Maybe when I turn into a wig.
toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. One more time. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
I didn't left y'all. I'm gonna fix it. Give me a minute. My mouth dry as hell. Oh, I need some water. It's the way it's flowing for me. Flying, flowing in the air. Flying, flowing in the air. Wait till I get dressed. I get dressed, it's over. Put the makeup on, it's over. I'm hungry. I'm gonna put the makeup on when I get through flat ironing it. I'm gonna flat iron it piece by piece. That way it don't be that big looking. And when the saints go marching in, and when the saints...
Look. Oh, you can look everything.
The binoculars.
Yeah. Look at the small part. Just look at the small part. Look at the small part.
Is that
small
my...
part.
Look at the small part.
Small part. They make everything it's far away. Far away. Is it far away? Everything's far away? Is it far away? Everything's far away? Not everything's far away.
Oh, you want it to be far away? Ooh.
Now, like this.
It's taking them so long.
Look, I'm doing.
Look what I'm doing.
Look like a
Look. I want to go to the zoo again. The zoo was cracking. Yeah, remember when we went to the zoo?
Yeah.
The zoo was nice, wasn't it? It was real nice. Real nice. We're going to have to go to the zoo this summer. Again. It's nice out. Might just let them run around and play. Oh yeah, then I gotta get rid of the flyaways too.
What was that?
I'm gonna put the look. And then
Hot. That's too hot. This is too hot.
it keep getting in my eye.
At what?
I said my eye.
Why?
My eye.
Why you say I?
Because it was getting in my eye.
What got your eye?
The hair.
Oh, wow.
That's a damn shame. We can't even have the comments on. Thank you. People want to be so ignorant. Why you be doing that? Quit faking. After I get through with this, I'm off here until it's time for me to do my makeup.
Flip over. Wake up. That thing's so close. Everything is so close. Wait, there's a big stuffing. Get away from me. Get away from me, Mama. Ah!
I gotta order some more. Wait, what you doing? What you finna do?
I'm gonna get that over there. Let me take my shoes off first.
Come on, man. You ain't even gotta come this way. You ain't gotta come this way. You ain't gotta come this way, man. Here.
There's water in there.
Here. You still want the breakfast sandwich, right?
Yeah.
It's only one. I gotta order some more.
That's a safety. We're leaking.
Get this bulkiness out the way so we can stop complaining. See how simple that was? See how simple that was? Simple and easy. Just that simple. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that. Why won't you look at that? Wow. Wow. It's just that simple. Oh my God. Would you look at that? No, I want to wear it straight today. I'm gonna wear it straight today. I might curl it tomorrow though. I don't want to curl it. I want to wear it straight. Oh my God, look at that, look at that. I ain't doing my makeup until later. I gotta change my clothes and shit. Gotta change my clothes for my transition. They ain't got nothing else better to do with their life besides sit around and talk about somebody. We gotta turn the comments off. They ain't doing shit to me. Hey, Akbar. Yeah, I did this myself. Did all this on live. I'm not trimming it. I'm not trimming it. Dude, y'all don't, most of the people that's talking shit don't even not do their own hair. Shut up. I don't forgot my shears. I don't forgot my shears. My shears are missing. My shears are missing. If I had my shears, I would cut it. But I don't got them. I lost them. But I'll be back later. I probably don't do my makeup on this page. I probably just come on this page just to turn up. I don't know. Turn up. I don't know. This gonna start. I don't know. This gonna start being my business page or something. Cause y'all be on some bullshit. I belong in hell. But I'm done. It's not bulky. It is not bulky. It is not bulky. Y'all tripping.